Want to keep your food fresh for longer and reduce kitchen waste? In this video, we're revealing the top 10 best vacuum sealers on Amazon, perfect for meal prep, sous vide cooking, and long-term storage. From strong suction power to easy one-touch sealing and versatile bag options, these machines make food preservation simple and efficient. Stick around to find the best one for your kitchen, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more smart kitchen picks every week. At number 1 we have Potane Precision Vacuum Machine. The pre-programmed settings for each food mode are strictly tuned by engineers, allowing you to seal like a pro. It can be used over 100 times continuously, perfect for bulk foods, leftovers, and valuable items. This machine is designed for one-handed operation. The lid can be easily locked and is user-friendly. The construction prevents the components and functions from becoming dusty, rusty, and damaged. The Potane VS5736 uses an 8mm sealing element, 3mm sealing width, and a brushless mechanical motor compared to the 3mm sealing element, 1 to 2mm sealing width, and toy motor of others. This all-inclusive machine was designed with built-in bag storage and a cutter bar, an accessory port for sealing containers, jars, bottle stoppers, 2 bag rolls, 11x16 and 8x16, and an extra foam gasket for replacement. In comparison to other vacuum sealers' 1-year lifespan, the Potane vacuum sealer comes with a 5-year guarantee. Any issues can be resolved quickly. At number 2 we have LIWUNON Fast Vacuum Sealer. This sleek vacuum food sealer combines durability and style in a compact design that fits effortlessly into any kitchen. Its plug-and-play system ensures quick setup, while the one-handle lock mechanism allows for simple, secure operation. Featuring a double heat seal, this vacuum sealing machine prevents air leaks for a tight, airtight seal. With a durable pump, it ensures up to 20 years of performance, locking in freshness and preventing freezer burn. Ideal for sous vide and airtight food storage. Built for long-lasting use, this vacuum sealer for food is your dependable kitchen companion. Its reinforced pump and dual seals are rated for up to 100,000 uses, ensuring reliable durability for all your food preservation needs. With a sleek, space-saving design, 15.7 L x 7.1 inches wide by 3.6 inches high, it easily fits in your kitchen. Enjoy peace of mind with a 5-year protection and responsive technical support, typically resolving issues promptly. At number 3 we have Gasbye Chamber Vacuum Sealer. Even from ground meat, chunky foods, and liquids, unlike traditional suction vacuum sealers that only pull air from the bag's opening, the Gasbye Chamber Vacuum Sealer removes air from the entire chamber. The Gasbye Chamber Vacuum Sealer effortlessly handles both solid and liquid foods, from meats, fruits, and vegetables to soups, sauces, and marinades. Unlike traditional suction sealers that pull air and liquid straight out of the bag, the chamber vacuum sealer removes air from the entire chamber, keeping internal and external pressure balanced. When choosing a chamber vacuum sealer, chamber size is key. You need enough space to fit both the vacuum bag and the food. The Gasbye CV4520 model features a 5.28 QT chamber, an 11.5-inch sealing bar, and a 9.7-inch chamber width, making it ideal for everyday meal prep. Long-term use made easy, the Gasbye Chamber Vacuum Sealer features replaceable dual heating wires for durable, consistent sealing. At number 4 we have POWOT Precision Vacuum Sealer. Leak-proof double heat seal technology. 17mm widened dual sealing strips provide commercial-grade airtight protection with near-zero leakage, locking in freshness, flavor, and nutrition. The food vacuum sealer machine prevents freezer burn and keeps food fresh up to 8x longer. Powerful and low-noise suction for maximum efficiency. The Food Vacuum Saver features an upgraded dual high-pressure vacuum pump, removing air quickly and efficiently while operating quietly. Seal dozens of bags continuously in just 15 minutes, ideal for bulk storage and heavy-duty use. 6 versatile modes for any food type. The food sealer includes moist vac and seal and dry vac and seal for different foods, seal only for chips and snacks, vac only with pulse function for delicate items or when you want to control the vacuuming, marinade and canister for external vacuuming, plus a convenient cancel/stop button. Perfectly adapts to all your food preservation needs. At number 5 we have OidoZac 230 watts Vacuum Sealer. With an industry-leading suction power of 25.1 inches of mercury and 230 watts strength, the food sealer machine achieves airtight vacuum sealing in just 8 to 18 seconds. Vacuum seal 30 bags continuously within 10 minutes, saving you the time of handling a large amount of food. 12 functions of the OidoZac food vacuum sealer can meet all your needs for preserving various foods. You can choose from the dry, moist, damp mode and the seal and canning mode according to the type of food. Optional double het seal provides added strength and security when sealing liquid-based or moist foods, keeping your food up to 10 times fresher. The widened 12.5 mm double heating strip and 4-layer heating wire design ensures a tighter, safer seal. This vacuum sealer for food features a patented one-touch handle system that allows for easy, secure sealing with just one hand. Built-in bag roll storage and cutter, easily access and customize bag sizes, saving you time and energy. At number 6 we have Anova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro. The more robust, older sibling to our best-selling minimalist precision vacuum sealer. Expect a high-power vacuum, reliable double sealer, built-in bag storage and cutter, an accessory port for sealing containers, and the ability to seal wet foods without worry, all with just one hand. Designed to be fully functional, while using just one hand. Clamping bags, vacuuming, and sealing are all easily accomplished with a single hand. Switch modes to wet function to activate a low-pressure suction and reliable double sealer, enabling you to seal even the juiciest of foods without fear. Hinge your vac sealer open to see that it conveniently houses a full roll of bags, included for free, and a simple sliding bag cutter, an added accessory port and hose. Open the door to sealing specialized canning jar lids, a wide variety of vacuum-ready containers, resealing wine bottles, and more. At number 7 we have Potane Vacuum Sealer Machine. Based on 6 years of R&D and hundreds of thousands customer insights, this vacuum sealer equipped with configuration you love, one-hand arthritis-friendly locks, smart LED status system, and spill-proof detachable trays for effortless. Smart Vac and Seal button delivers a full auto vacuum to seal cycle in seconds. Various vacuum suction and sealing heat temperatures are presented in different food modes. Engineered with a high-power double pump for unmatched suction, sacrificing bag storage space for long-lasting performance. An ample core pump ensures rapid air extraction even with larger bags. Moist mode triples heating time to lock in water of some food, paired with a liquid isolation tray and absorbent memory foam gaskets. These can improve the performance of sealing of household vacuum sealers when encountering moist food. However, viscous fluid, oil and marinades can block the air microchannels of the bag opening and fail to vacuum seal. At number 8 we have Avid Armor Chamber Vacuum Sealer Machine. Touch-sensitive buttons for precise sealing settings, one-press marinating cycle, and progression lights for vacuum sealing phase indication. Dual sealing wires ensure tight seals. Heat control for 3mm and 4mm pouches, high for Mylar bags. Perfect for freeze-drying or dehydrating foods. Powerful chamber vacuum seals and marinates liquids, maintaining food freshness and flavor for longer periods, transforming your storage method. Full view tempered glass lid with 10.5 inches by 10.5 inches by 3.5 inches chamber, perfect for meats, soups, marinades, infusions, pickling, and sous vide cooking. Avid Armor was founded with a simple mission in mind: create superior vacuum sealing products to help turn passion into sustainability. At number 9 we have Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer. Chef Preserve keeps food fresh 5 times longer than non-vacuum storage methods. Never worry about spoilage ever again. Simply press the button to start. The device vacuum seals a bag in 5 seconds and automatically shuts off when done. Chef Preserve comes with dishwasher, freezer, refrigerator, and microwave-safe bags that BPA-free. The bags are odor-free and leak-proof, and preserve flavor, nutrition and texture of the food. Meat, fish, vegetables, fruits, dry goods, pizza, cooked food and leftovers. Vacuum seal anything with Chef Preserve. Old-fashioned vacuum sealers take a lot of space in your kitchen, not to mention the huge single-use plastic rolls and waste. Chef Preserve is the size of a pepper grinder, and super easy to use. At number 10 we have Vakumar Liquid Vacuum Sealer Machine. Unique liquid sealing mode effectively vacuum seals any liquid or liquid-rich foods such as soups, stews and purees. Sealing choice: dry/moist/liquid, vacuum pressure, strong/soft, vac and seal, manual seal, container, marinate, pulse. 90 kPa high-efficiency commercial vacuum sealer which can seal more than 200 times continuously in a short time. Built-in LED screen with a visual progress bar to show the process. Seal a meal vacuum sealer machine has a patented handle system for easy locking of the lid. By simply pressing the lid with one hand instead of both, it easily locks and ensures a tight, consistent seal. This Seal a Meal vacuum sealer machine's double heat seal provides added strength and security when sealing liquid-based or moist foods. Well for prep ahead meals, leftovers, and produce stored in the fridge to prevent freezer burn and food waste.